Hello guys, I'm Krishna and today I welcome you all on behalf of CSI Chapter Speaker of Vit-Ap University. We'll take a look at a Java topic today which is very important and it is used in real-time projects. We'll take a look at try and catch block statement. So let's see what is try and catch block and how is it useful. So try and catch blocks. These are used when we know our code can throw an exception. Then we use try and catch block. I'll just explain you with some examples. Like it will be easy for you. So what we have to do? We have to write try, and in this try block we have to define some code. Let's take a very simple case. Like we are defining integer x, which is 2 divided by 0. As we know that this is error. This is not an error, but it is an exception because number cannot be divided by 0. Right, so and you may see over here like Visual Studio Code doesn't even detect this exception. And what we have to do now? We have to add a catch block, and in this catch block, so in this catch block we have to define some kind of exception. What kind of exception are we expecting? And if you don't wanna define any kind of exception, you just write exception. Okay, and let's name this exception. Let's say it is E. And in this, what we have to do? We can do anything. Like what I'll just print. So let's try to run our code. If you look over here, it is printing exception. And we can also know what kind of exception is this. So what can we do? What we can do? We can just print out E, which is our exception. So you may see it is arithmetic exception. So if we define only exception, this is very general and broader case. So it has some advantages and some disadvantages. Like the advantage of it is like it can work on any exception. If it throw null pointer exception or anything like array index out of bound exception, this will work. But there is a disadvantage of coding like this, like defining exception, which is a broader term. There is a disadvantage, which is it slows down. Like it is not very fast for our computer. Like it is not very convenient. What our computer will do, it will just match the exception with every kind of exception, and then it will show, and then it will execute the catch block. So let's do it like, let's say arithmetic exception. And let's name it T. Right? And within this, let's print out Java. So you may see there is some red line over here, and Visual Studio Code, it tells us that it is unreachable catch block. This our code won't be able to reach to this catch block. This catch block, it will handle all the exception, and this block is useless. We don't need it. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just comment this out, and now you may see our code is not throwing any error. It is printing out Java. So it happens like this. I hope it is clear to you guys.
Let me just uncomment it.
Yeah. So what I'm trying to do is, we know that it is throwing an error. So what I'm trying I'm just printing out something outside this try and catch blocks. So let's do it. Let's print CSI Vit-Ap and take a general case. What we want from our code. We want like CSI Vit-Ap. It should be printed out. And whether there is exception or not, we want CSI Vit-Ap to print out. So comment your answer how can we do this in the comment section. We have 5 seconds to pause the video and comment your answer in the comment section. Okay, so if we try to execute it, it will just throw an error, unreachable catch block. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just remove this and I'm gonna use a new keyword here, which is finally, and I already explained you about finally keyword in the previous video. You may take a look at it. So I'll just add it in the finally block and we execute our code. Look, exception and CSI Vit-Ap both gets printed out. I hope it is clear to you guys. If you still have any doubt, you can just comment your question in the comment section. We'll take a look at it. You can also rewind the video and take another look at it if you face any problem. And till then, bye bye. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.